Hey everyone, Harris here. So tvOS 11.3 came out in March and included mainly a new privacy explainer, nothing really interesting. But similar to a few other software releases from Apple lately, it quickly saw beta releases for a new version, that being tvOS 11.4. And now that it's out for the public, here's what you need to know about tvOS 11.4. Okay, so this will be pretty quick. Really, the only change is that it turns your Apple TV 4th generation or 4K model into an AirPlay 2 enabled device, kind of like a hub. You can use it as part of your AirPlay 2 multi-room system with iOS 11.4 or with macOS, so you can use it in conjunction with other speakers. If you have a soundbar on your TV, this is a cool ability to get a great audio setup with multiple other devices. You obviously could still use an Apple TV as an audio output source before, but this now supports the AirPlay 2 protocol. I've made a video explaining what AirPlay 2 is. If you want to check that out, it'll be in the description, but that's basically what tvOS 11.4 does. You can now use this with the new AirPlay 2 settings and features that is found with the new software releases, and that's about it. Outside of that, there are some software bugs and tweaks, but no big changes. If you enjoyed this quick video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.